Today's video features Halloween games with balloons for all ages.
For this first game, you'll need a paper straw and a balloon per player.
Wingardium Levioso!
How long can you keep your balloon floating in the air with your wand? If it falls, you lose. Pumpkin Pop. This game is intended to be a relay race with a bunch of people. Race to see who can pop their balloon first and read the paper inside to do the action.
Why won't it pop, boo, pop, 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 pop? I don't suggest soft chairs. Soft chairs don't work.
Once you've found the piece of paper inside of the balloon, do the action before the next player races to pop their balloon.
Do the chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance.
Boo Balloon. You'll need one balloon per player with a ghost face drawn on it. Balance the balloon on your head. If it falls on the floor, you can hit it with different parts of your body, but if it falls on the floor, you are out of the game. Last player standing wins the game. The Ghostbusters game.
To play Ghostbusters Balloon Hunt, make a bunch of ghosts, hide them around your space, then play the Ghostbusters theme song. Da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. That was not it. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da. There's something strange. Bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum. Whoever has found the most ghosts wins the game.
How to play the Ghostbusters team game.
But to play the Ghostbuster team game, you'll still need a lot of ghost balloons, and you're gonna need 2 laundry baskets, 1 for each team. This is the ghost catcher. This is where you place your ghost when you catch them. Whoever catches the most ghosts when the Ghostbusters theme song ends wins the game. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Ghost Paddle.
Ghost paddle is played like that game that you play on the beach where you have 2 people and you have a ball and you have some paddles. Beforehand, have the kids decorate their paddles, just a plain decorate all spooky, and then use it as paddle ball. You could set up a net, you could have an object that they have to hit it over, or they just have to hit it back and forth to each other without dropping it on the floor. Ghostbusters!